High schoolers among six from road fatalities on Independence Day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 3 teenagers, including 2 high school students, were among 6 persons who died from injuries they sustained in 3 separate vehicle crashes in St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, Manchester on Independence Day, Friday, August 6. In the first crash in St. Elizabeth, 2 teenagers died after a motorcycle which they were traveling on collided with a truck along the Bull Savannah Main Road. The deceased has been identified as 18-year-old Ojay Rowe and 14-year-old Nathan Witter, a student of the B.B. Coke High School in the parish. Police reports are that about 2:30 p.m., Rowe and Witter were on a motorcycle riding along the roadway when it collided with a Toyota motor truck traveling in the opposite direction. Both teenagers were taken to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. According to a post from a woman in the B.B. Coke Past Student Association Facebook group, Nathan is in grade 8 at the institution. On the behalf of the B.B. Coke High School family, I pause to send condolences to the family and friends of Nathan Witter at the time, the woman posted. Nathan was a grade 8 student at the institution. I know his grandmother very well. Nathan died tragically in a motor vehicle accident, she added. In relation to Friday's crash in Clarendon, an unidentified man died when the Toyota Probox vehicle he was traveling in crashed on the Four Parts Main Road in the parish. The driver of the car reportedly lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a parked truck at about 3:50 p.m. The injured man was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The driver of the car reportedly lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a parked truck about 3:50 p.m. The injured man was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. There are conflicting reports about whether the deceased was the driver or he was a passenger in the vehicle. 3 other persons were injured in that crash and they were treated and released from the hospital. Hours later, a man and his teen daughter, along with another female, died in a 2-vehicle crash on the Downs Main Road in Manchester. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Safari Phillips, 36-year-old Sanjay Kane, and his 14-year-old daughter, Sajana Kane, a student of the St. Elizabeth Technical High School. It is understood that Phillips is also related to the 2 Kanes. According to reports, about 5:20 p.m., the 3 individuals were traveling in a Toyota Isis motor vehicle along the main road when it collided with a Honda motor vehicle. The 3 occupants of the Toyota Isis motor car were assisted to hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. The driver of the other car, which was involved in the crash, was reportedly hospitalized in serious condition. On the official St. Elizabeth Technical High School Facebook page, a photograph of the teen was posted and condolences were expressed to her family. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.